Okay, Mustafa, I'm still waiting. Some children has not joined. It is very bad, very, very bad. You must know that I'm waiting here. One batch, it's 7 minutes lost. Fine. Now look here, beta. Let's start the class. Today I am starting polynomial. Polynomial, from polynomial, one question you are going to expect in board exam. 100% board exam question will be there from polynomial. So beta, first you have to, I will give you introduction of polynomial first. What is exactly polynomial? And then I will start the class, because understanding polynomial is very, very important. If you will understand polynomial, you will be able to solve all tough questions related to polynomial. Now I will teach you polynomial like a story. So ready for understanding the story? Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Now listen nicely. Story is simple like understand. One boy was there and one boy wrote a formula for a polynomial. He wrote an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power n minus 2. Then Khushbu auntie, you know, Khushbu auntie is always asking questions from everyone, that do you know this, do you know that, do you know this part, do you know that part. So she asked that boy that what you are writing exactly, why you are writing like this. That is an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 an minus 2 x to the power n minus 2, like this until, okay, it is a2 x to the power 2, a1 x to the power 1, and then a not x to the power 0. So that boy was writing a formula. And as you know, Khushbu auntie is having a very bad habit of poking her nose everywhere. So she asked that question, okay, you tell me what you have written. That boy said, I have written general formula of polynomial, auntie. What I have written general formula of polynomial. What that boy has written, can anybody repeat? General formula of polynomial. What that boy has written? General formula of polynomial. So anyone understood general formula of polynomial? I kept on repeating what that boy has written, general formula of polynomial. Correct, Abhirami? Correct, Dikavya? Correct, Janani? That boy has written, correct, Shivatsane, general formula of polynomial. Repeat with me, general formula of polynomial. Hemlata, absolutely correct, beta. General formula of polynomial. I repeat, it is general formula of polynomial. General formula of polynomial. What is that? General formula of polynomial. Okay. General formula of polynomial. Again and again I am saying that Khushbu auntie asked that you have written general formula of polynomial. Exactly what is the use? No one hardly understands this one. Is there any use of this? Because you randomly wrote something and I will trust you that this is formula of polynomial. Then Khushbu auntie, you know Khushbu auntie, she will not be able to understand all these things. She is very weak in maths. So what she did, she started asking many questions. So first question what auntie asked, that, hey, you write any formula and I'll say that it is exactly written like that. Correct only. Correct, Yani. The formula is polynomial is an expression that consists variable. 100% correct, beta. It will consist variable and constant. It will consist variable and constant both. Then that boy said, okay, I will prove you. You be silent and you allow me to teach. Then I said, you teach. Okay, so let's take the name of that boy, Ajay. Okay, Ajay is teaching me polynomial. Ajay said, auntie, today I will teach you polynomial. How I will teach you polynomial? You will remember always. So Ajay wrote a formula. What wrote formula? How to remember? N down and up. N minus 1 means keep on decreasing by 1. Then he said, first I will teach you how to write the formula for polynomial. For that, Ajay told, you write like this, an xn an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 an minus 2 x to the power n minus 2 So whatever you are writing, A2, X2, A1, X1, A0, X0. Okay, so like this you have to write every time. Like this, what you have to do? You have to write every time. Understood, beta? Correct only. So this is the formula for polynomial. That is called as general formula for polynomial. So what Ajay told a formula, told us and told that auntie, it is general formula for polynomial. What he told? General formula for polynomial. He told me, Khushbu auntie, that auntie, this is general formula for polynomial. A n xn, a n minus 1, then it will go x minus 1. So you see what is the degree here? When here base is n, degree n, base n minus 1, degree n minus 1, base n minus 2, degree n minus 2, base 2, degree 2, base 1, degree 1, base 0, degree 0. That Khushbu auntie is very stupid in math, so she didn't understood that one. So Ajay said, okay, auntie, I will teach you one by one. So you be patient and you understand. Now, n can be any function. So n can be only any whole number, auntie, you take. Okay. So n can be any whole number. What can be n? N can be any whole number. I repeat, what can be n, beta? N can be any whole number. N is there in the group. N is there in the group. Quickly respond. Give me response, beta. Okay. Everyone is there right now. Mohan, are you there in the group? Super. So if beta n can be, correct Mustafa, correct Kritika, 0 finite. No beta, 0 will not bring you finite. 100% 0 will not bring you finite. Trust me, I will prove everything. By playing with this story, we will be understanding each and every part of polynomial function. Just trust me. So what is there is, those who have joined late, listen to me. Rahul, listen to me nicely, beta. Here, one function, one formula is there. F of x is equal to an xn, an minus 1, xn minus 1. And this is called as general formula of polynomial. What this is called as? General formula of polynomial. I repeat, it is called as general formula of polynomial. Okay, now in this general formula of polynomial, exactly I was discussing that Ajay is teaching me this general formula of polynomial, and Ajay told me, auntie, you keep on putting values of n, you will be getting values of general part you will be getting. So I didn't understood because I'm weak in math, so I didn't understood. So now Ajay started teaching, auntie, you take n is equal to whole number. Then Mustafa said, auntie, you don't know whole number starts with 0. I said, yes, I know whole number starts with 0 and it will go to any positive number. I said, yes, it will go to any positive number. Then beta, what we are going to do? Then one by one, we will start seeing how many type of polynomials we can get from it. So when n will be equal to 0, okay, when n will be equal to 0. So when n will be equal to 0, what will happen to this function? That means a will become 0. Here, instead of n, I am putting 0 and here x to the power 0. So beta, that means only constant is existing and here any variable to the power 0 is exactly 1. So what answer you got is only a naught. And what is a naught? A naught is a constant. That means beta, when correct Janani, A naught can be there beta, A naught can be any value. A naught can be any value, but exactly from this formula only it is coming. Yes. So one more time I'm explaining you. Now you don't go to the general formula, you understand. Whenever you will see any function like f5, okay, any function f of x is telling 5, any function f of x written 7, then it is what type of polynomial? It is called as constant polynomial. Okay, what it is called as? constant polynomial. It is what type of polynomial, beta? It is exactly called as constant polynomial. It is what type of polynomial? Constant polynomial. I repeat, it is called as constant polynomial. I repeat, it is called as constant polynomial. Again and again, I am repeating so that my children will understand. It is exactly constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. So, beta, if anybody will give you that Rahul, it is x to the power minus 11, then it is what type of polynomial? Then what Rahul will say? Everyone tell me. Yes, beta. It will not be. Rahul will say, very good, Rahul. Rahul is saying it is a constant polynomial. And then I will ask Rahul, how you came to know it is a constant polynomial? So Rahul will say, Auntie, it is very easy. There is no variable in it. There is no x variable in it, because auntie, all many a times you are seeing, auntie, f5 of x plus 7 is there. That is exactly not a constant polynomial, because here variable is there. But here you see, auntie, these are all independent of variable. So when I am writing f of x is equal to 20, it is exactly a constant one, because it is having a fixed value. It is having what? It is having a fixed value. Sudarshan, well done. Sudarshan is telling f of x is equal to k, where k is any integer, then it is a constant polynomial. Super fantabulous piece of work, Sudarshan. Very good. You have kept the standard high, beta. That is, he went to a general function. Correct only, no problem, Sudarshan. Whenever we will write f of x is equal to k, f of x is equal to a, means any value. Okay, it will become a constant function. It will become what, beta? It will become a constant function. Okay. So one more example we will see for constant function. Constant function, another example is, if someone will, I tell you, identify among these four, which one is constant function? CBSE question. It's time to know CBSE question now. Now, among this, which one is a constant function? Can anybody? I'm ready for answers. Please kindly give the answer. Let's see. Ajay is telling second answer. Akshay is telling. Janani is telling. Annie is telling. Mustafa is telling. Sorry. Okay, second one is the correct answer. Renu, Abhirami, Nandini, Yaini, Kavya, Ragul, Sudarshan, everyone in one tone they are telling, Auntie, it is a constant function. So, Auntie, you don't know, it is absolutely a constant function, Auntie. Then Auntie is asking how you came to know it. Second one is a constant function. Then you will say, Rahul is telling, Auntie, it is very easy. X to the power 0. X to the power 0 means nothing but 1. And since x to the power 0 is nothing but 1, auntie, that means 5 plus 7 will come. And 5 plus 7 is nothing but 12, auntie. So since 5 plus 7 is 12, auntie, it is what type of function? It is a type of constant function. Very good. Abhirami, 1 plus 7, no beta, 5 plus 7, because beta you have to understand here. 5 to the power 5 to the power, 5 into x to the power 0 plus 7. Now, x to the power 0 is exactly 1. So, 5 into 1 plus 7. That is 5 ones are 5 plus 7. That will come 12. Now, I hope all my children understood how to do it. No. X to the power 0. X to the power 0 is 1, Mustafa. Correct, Abhirami. Now she has rectified it. Understand this part, beta. X to the power 0. I repeat, x to the power 0 is exactly 1. X to the power 0 is nothing but x to the power 0 is exactly 1. And since x to the power 0 is 1, so 5 plus 5 into 1 plus 7. And that is exactly coming as 12. Correct. X to the power 0 is 1, Mustafa. X to the power, x is not 1 here. Correct only. Sudarshan has given answer. Renu has given answer. Ajay, Madhumita, all of my children. Annie has told that auntie. Rahul has exactly told how to solve it. He told 5 into 1 plus 7 is equal to 12, auntie. Absolutely correct, Rahul. God bless you, beta. So here you have to understand what strategies you are going to put, beta. So jokes apart, I told you a general formula of polynomial. Okay, in that general formula, beta, whatever n value you will put accordingly, you will be getting different type of polynomials. Okay, whatever n value you will put accordingly, you will get different. Beta, if x to the power, see, look here, there is a massive difference between x to the power 0 and x to the power 1. X to the power 1 means x only. X to the power 0 means 1. So please remember this part. X to the power, Ajay, what happened? Ajay, what happened, beta? Ajay, you are teaching me today and you are looking sad. Ask Ajay, no problem. Beta, look here. This session belongs to my children. See, anyone can see the video, but live, you only will ask that doubts. Auntie, what will happen when x will be equal to 0? Beta, when x will be equal to 0, x itself is 0. Then you will again have a constant function. And that constant function is 0. Correct, Madhumita. Awesome, beta. Sudarshan, 0 polynomial. And then it is a case of 0 polynomial. Okay, 0 power 0. 0 power 0 is nothing. 0 power 0 not defined. Here you don't focus to 0 power 0. Here, correct only, Annie, super. So here, exactly, it is 0 polynomial. Correct, Annie. Renu also is telling, auntie, it is a case of 0 polynomial. Means what? The polynomial itself is exactly 0. It is called a 0 polynomial. So now, beta, we will understand. So constant polynomial you have understood. So when f of x is equal to 0, it is a case of 0 polynomial. So I started reading your answers. Very good. Everyone is answering. Annie, Sudarshan, Renu, V. Kavya. All of you are giving bang on answers. Rahul, Mohan, ready, beta, for today's session? Start answering the questions also. Prathamesh, answer question, beta. You are a part of the team. You have to answer. So those children who are not answering, first, one important thing is that you are in a live session right now. That means what you will be asking question, that doubts I have to clear. Rest of the, if anytime they will see the video, they can only see what doubt I have cleared. But you have the full right to ask doubts. Okay, so Ajay has asked a very good doubt that auntie, if x will be 0, then what type of polynomial it is? Then what answer everybody will give? B. Kavya is telling 0 polynomial. Anna is telling auntie 0. Renu is telling 0 polynomial. So I hope all my children understood. So now let's have a quick race. Fine. Oh, last question you said, but you know what, Ajay, you have cleared someone's doubt. You have cleared many children doubt, beta, because here you have asked a very good question. I thought you asked this question. And where is Arif today? Arif seems to be very silent. Abhirami seems to be very silent. Akshay is present today. See, live session means ask how much questions. Saran is silent. See, Vatsani is silent. What happened to all of them? Yes, Akshay, you have to be too much attentive, beta. Okay, no problem, Arif. So look here, beta. So function, whenever f of x will be equal to 0, it is a case of 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial. Okay, but if f of x will be equal to any number, negative, positive, then it will be called as constant polynomial. I hope now my children are able to understand the difference between constant polynomial and 0 polynomial, beta. Okay. Now everybody understood the difference between constant polynomial. Abhiram is telling yes, Ajay is telling yes, Srivatsan is telling yes, Mustafa, Akshay, everyone is telling yes. Auntie understood. Annie, Madhumita, everybody understood. Super beta. V Kavya, Renu, Rahul, very good. Rahul is telling yes, beta. How much you will interact with me, that much you will be active. Dharani, P, Janani, everyone is telling understood. Super beta. God bless you all. Now let us go to the story. The story back part left is ki now Sudarshan understood, Hemlata understood. Where is Mohan? Mohan understood or not? Prathamesh understood. Super beta. See, look here, it's not about others, it's about my children. It's my children who are exactly being with me and I'm training them. So I will train them for the best. Okay, Ajay, Mohan understood na beta? Now let's go back to the story. An x to the power n. Tawfiq understood. Super. Shri Bhavani, good morning. Nidhi. Sorry, Nidhi, I'm telling Nandini. So like this number Ajay gave me. And Ajay told me, Auntie, now let's continue with the story. Now take n is equal to 1. Because this is general formula of polynomial. And in general formula of polynomial, whatever value of n you will put, according to that you will get a polynomial. The moment I will put n is equal to 1, so here this one will become 1, 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 all n will become ultimately 1. So now this one will become a1 x to the power 1 plus a 1 minus 1 x to the power 1 minus 1 plus a 1 minus 2 x to the power 1 minus 2. So auntie started writing like this. Ajay came and said, no, no, no. Okay, Mohan Tawfiq understood. Very good, beta. So Ajay came and said, no, 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 you don't know one important point. Then I asked, I don't know something. Tell me. Then Ajay said that auntie, polynomial will never have degree in negative. So whenever you will see any negative degree, it is not a polynomial, auntie, first. So here you have seen here, sorry, here you have seen a to the power a into x to the power minus 1 plus 7 is there. Then immediately, as I told, it is not a polynomial. Then another one, a x to the power 1 by 2 plus 5. That means now x is having root. Ajay said, no, no, auntie. Yes, beta. That is what Sudarshan, two important part is there. First is 1 by x is not polynomial, Mustafa. So these two conditions is exactly explaining they are not polynomial. They have to do nothing with polynomial. They are not polynomial. So beta, that means from here it is not possible. Only these two terms will be exactly polynomial. That means whenever you will see f of x is equal to 5x plus 7 or f of x is equal to 8x minus 11. So here one thing you are seeing, x to the power 1 is there always, x to the power 1. Or if you can't take x variable, but I don't want you to only understand one thing. Here z to the power 1 plus 7. So it is also a polynomial. Only x variable will guarantee polynomial is not. You can take any variable. You can take any variable, but power of that or degree of that polynomial, degree of polynomial will be 1. Degree of polynomial, you see, I wrote there in power 1, na beta. Degree of the polynomial is 1. Then it is called as linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. But a linear polynomial means in a polynomial when the variable will have highest degree 1, highest degree, variable will have highest degree 1, then it will be exactly called as, correct Akshaya, there are different type of polynomial Akshaya is telling, and she is telling auntie it is exactly linear, quadratic and cubic. Awesome beta. It is biquadratic also. It is biquadratic also. Biquadratic means degree 4. Biquadratic means beta degree 4. So I hope my children are understanding. My children are understanding beta about linear polynomial. Highest degree is one, that is called linear polynomial. Super, Rahul, Kavya, Akshay, everyone is telling understanding. So let's have a race. Ajay, next. I didn't understood, Ajay, what you said, beta. Next quadratic. Okay. Quintic. Okay. The polynomial with highest degree too. So no need to there go to the general formula now. My children are smart enough to take it from there. Okay. So now we will know different type of polynomial. First polynomial, when polynomial itself zero. Second polynomial, when it is a constant number. Okay. Second polynomial, when it is a constant number, 7 or 0, like that. Third polynomial, when it will be exactly equal to 3x plus 5, or when f of z is equal to 7z minus 11. So all these are exactly what named. Then f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, means in quadratic format, or 3x square minus 11x plus 9. So what are all this type? And then f of x is equal to 3x cube plus 4x square plus 7x minus 11, what they are, or f of x is equal to 4x4 plus 3x square, 3x cube plus 7x square plus 11x minus 5. So one by one, beta, we will be, yes, correct only, super. So first is zero polynomial. Now we will start naming it because now we know the names. Zero polynomial. Now we don't know about the second one. You will say, Auntie, we know it is constant polynomial. Then third one, it is exactly linear polynomial. Then next one, quadratic polynomial. Then cubic polynomial. Then this one is biquadratic polynomial. And beta, in this everything, correct only. Sixth one is biquadratic polynomial. Super. All my children. I was writing and Nitesh and all were giving the answer. Hemlata, Sudarshan, Nitesh, Yaini, Kavya, Kritika, Janani, Akshaya, Sudarshan, Papa, Annie, Hemlata, Abhirami, Rahul. Super. Everybody gave answers. I was writing in my tone, but I didn't saw my children are writing the answers. And absolutely correct. All of you, Rahul and all, everybody wrote the correct answer. Super, Kamya. So Kamya wrote all different type of polynomial. Okay, beta. So that means what, beta? We have understood polynomial nicely. But beta, every time when you are checking polynomial, you must see the highest degree. Here, highest degree is 1. Here, highest degree is 2. That's why it became quadratic polynomial. Here, highest degree is 3. That's why it became cubic polynomial. Highest degree is 4. That's why it will become biquadratic polynomial. Okay, so polynomial introduction, we have nailed it nicely, understood it nicely. Now look here, we will go to now some very important question. Among them, you have to identify which one is polynomial. Identify polynomial. Children ready? Children ready? Which one is polynomial? Ajay said B, Annie said 1. Janani is telling @Abhi. Kavya 4, Mustafa B, Annie B, Yaini B, Janani A, Annie B, Renu B, Kritika B, Srivatsane C, Rahul B, Taufik B, Janani B, Kavya Kaushika B, Dharani A, Nitesh B, Janani B. Okay, after that, Madhumita C, Akshaya B, Mohan B, Hemlata B, Sri Bhavani B, and Nandini B, V Kavya, sorry B. And the correct answer is, absolutely correct answer is B. So those who have said B, it is absolutely correct. Okay. Now, those who have said A and those who have said A, C, D, any one of that, that does not mean that you are wrong. You are in a process of learning, and next time you will say the correct answer. So look here, beta. Now, those who have not said the correct answer, listen to me. 1 by x plus 5. First one I am doing. Now, beta, it is in reciprocal. If you will convert it, it will become x to the power minus 1 plus 5. And beta, x to the power minus 1, polynomial, hate this. It is not at all polynomial. Polynomial understands only one thing. Ki bhai, always, every time, you reduce the power by 1. Okay. After x variable, lowest degree is x to the power 0. Okay, lowest degree will be what, beta? X to the power 0. So all other have power as negative. Correct, beta? Correct. Okay. So now look here, beta. 1 by x, not possible. Now look here, root under x square plus 5 is there. That means, beta, square and root will get cancelled. It will become only 5. So beta, x plus 5 is what type of polynomial? Linear polynomial. It is what type of polynomial? Linear polynomial. Since it is a type of linear polynomial, it will be exactly polynomial. But beta, this one already violating the rule. Here also same violating the rule. So it is not polynomial. Okay. Now I'm giving you a question, only one question. You have to identify it is polynomial or not. My children are ready? Super, absolutely. Kamya, Shivatsane, V, Kavya, all of you are correct. You know, your team is very strong. Seriously, I love teaching class 10th. The reason behind is you children are very attentive, always answering the question. Better than elder Akka and Annana, you are performing better. Best performance, I can say. Live sessions also, you all are answering so fast. Your speed of answering is much better than big Akkas. Ready? Okay. Question is it a polynomial? Say yes or no. Is it a polynomial? Say yes or no, beta. Is it a polynomial? Okay. Ajay said yes. Renu said yes. First Renu said, Ajay said, Janani said. These three children said yes, it is a, my goodness, it's not only these three children, it's about. Okay, Rahul said, okay, everybody said, Kritika, Annie, Kavya, Kamya, Sudarshan, Akshaya, Hemlata, Kaushika, Shivatsane, Yaini, Arif, Taufik, Mustafa, Nandini, Mohan. Everybody is saying it is, of course, it is a polynomial. Rahul is saying, of course, it is a polynomial. Yes, beta, it is a polynomial. Now, those who are having doubt about it, it is polynomial or not, let me tell you how it is a polynomial. Now, look here, beta. 3x squared, oh, 3x square is there, beta. Now, x is missing. Now, beta, x part is missing. Polynomial is saying my degree should be reduced by 1 every time. My degree should be reduced by 1. So is it a polynomial? You said yes, it is a polynomial. So now I have to prove how it is a polynomial. Beta, because x is missing, so I wrote x, 5 is there. But beta, with x, what I should write so that it will compensate it nicely, I will multiply it with 0. So you will say, yes, it's a polynomial. Only one thing is that this variable was missing because this variable accidentally collide with accident with 0. So 0 into x became 0. Correct, Mustafa, Janani, Kavya, Ajay, they said 0 is there. So your answer will be this x was there, but it got accident with 0, means it got multiplied with 0. Head-on collision was there. So and that it made it 0. And since it made it 0, this is a polynomial. So I hope my children understood na. Correct, Akshya. The technique of writing is absolutely correct. Abhirami 0 into x. Super. Mustafa said x is multiplied to 0. X power 0, no beta, x is multiplied to 0 here. Since x part is missing, that's why x is multiplied to 0 here. X is what? X is multiplied to 0 here. Okay. Okay. Understood now? So today's session, Prathamesh, please kindly inform me about your school timings so that today I will shift your chemistry class